Top 7 Best Meats for Diabetics You Should Eat. Lower blood sugar. If you're living with diabetes, you've probably asked yourself, what's the best meat for keeping my blood sugar in check? It's a question that matters more than you might think. Managing diabetes isn't just about cutting sugar, it's about making smart choices in everything you eat, including your protein sources. Let's be real, not all meats are created equal. Some can be loaded with unhealthy fats, causing blood sugar spikes and heart health issues, which is the last thing anyone with diabetes needs. That's why knowing which meats are best for you is a game changer when it comes to your diet. The good news? You don't have to give up delicious meals to stay healthy. The right meats are not only tasty but also packed with essential nutrients that support stable blood sugar and overall well-being. Whether you're trying to mix things up in your meals or just want to make healthier choices, this guide will help you understand which meats fit best in a diabetes-friendly diet. So, stick around. We're about to break down the top 7 meats that can help you keep your blood sugar stable, fuel your body with quality protein, and make healthy eating enjoyable. Whether you're a fan of lean chicken, hearty beef, or even nutrient-packed organ meats, there's an option for you. Get ready to take control of your health because what you eat makes all the difference. 1. Skinless chicken breast. Chicken is an excellent protein choice for diabetics, especially when prepared correctly. Skinless chicken breast, in particular, is one of the best cuts to include in your diet. It is low in fat, making it a healthier alternative to fattier meats, which helps prevent spikes in blood sugar levels, an essential factor in diabetes management. Unlike darker cuts of chicken that have higher fat content, skinless chicken breast provides lean protein that is both filling and heart healthy. But the benefits don't stop there. Chicken breast is rich in protein, which plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates and keeping you full for longer. Protein is also essential for muscle repair and growth, making it a perfect choice for those looking to maintain a balanced diet while managing diabetes. To get the most out of this healthy option, choose grilled, baked, or roasted chicken breast instead of fried, as frying adds unnecessary fats and carbs. Pair it with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or bell peppers to boost fiber intake and provide your body with essential nutrients. A simple and nutritious meal could be grilled chicken breast with a side of roasted vegetables or a fresh salad with a light vinaigrette. By removing the skin and cooking it the right way, chicken becomes a powerful diabetes-friendly protein that can be easily incorporated into many recipes. So next time you're planning a meal, reach for skinless chicken breast to fuel your body with lean protein while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. It's a simple, tasty, and effective way to support your diabetes management. 2. Salmon and other fatty fish. Salmon and other fatty fish like anchovies and sardines are excellent protein choices for diabetics who want to manage their blood sugar effectively. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to offer protective benefits against type 2 diabetes. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and lower the risk of heart disease, a common complication for people with diabetes. By adding these nutrient-dense fish to your diet, you're not only getting a high-quality source of protein but also providing your body with the healthy fats it needs to function optimally. What makes salmon and similar fatty fish even more beneficial is their low glycemic impact. Unlike some protein sources that can cause blood sugar spikes, these fish offer a steady source of energy without causing sudden sugar surges. This is crucial for diabetics as maintaining stable blood sugar levels throughout the day is key to effective management. Cooking salmon is simple and delicious. You can grill, bake, or pan-sear it with a touch of olive oil and your favorite herbs for a satisfying meal. To keep your meal diabetes-friendly, pair it with non-starchy vegetables like spinach, kale, or cauliflower, which are low in carbohydrates and packed with fiber. A great meal idea is grilled salmon served on a bed of steamed broccoli or a fresh salad with leafy greens, creating a flavorful and well-balanced dish. By regularly incorporating fatty fish like salmon, anchovies, or sardines into your diet, you can reduce inflammation, support heart health, and maintain stable blood sugar levels. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your diabetes management while enjoying delicious, heart-healthy meals. 3. Pork tenderloin. Pork tenderloin is a great meat choice for those with diabetes. This lean cut of pork is low in saturated fat, making it a much healthier choice than fattier cuts like bacon or sausage. Its low fat content helps maintain stable blood sugar levels while providing high-quality protein that diabetics need for muscle repair and overall health. Unlike processed meats, which can spike blood sugar levels, pork tenderloin is a clean and healthy protein that you can enjoy without worry. Why is pork tenderloin such a great choice? First, it is versatile and can be prepared in a variety of ways suitable for diabetic-friendly meals. You can easily cook it in the oven or slow cook it for tender, juicy results. It pairs great with vegetables like spinach, cauliflower, and zucchini, which are all low in carbohydrates, high in fiber, and help stabilize blood sugar. You can also try this easy slow cooker pork tenderloin or Parmesan pork tenderloin. Both recipes are not only delicious but also nutritious for diabetes control. When it comes to pork, it is important to choose lean cuts and avoid processed meats. Bacon is delicious, but it is high in saturated fat and sodium, which can have a negative impact on heart health and blood sugar levels. So, it is best to choose fresh cuts like pork tenderloin for a heart-healthy, blood sugar-friendly meal. By incorporating pork tenderloin into your diet, you can enjoy a delicious meal that helps lower your blood sugar while supporting weight management and overall health. Plus, the versatility of this meat means you can enjoy it in a variety of meals without compromising on taste or nutrition. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more tips on how to control diabetes and live healthier. Leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. 4. Fillets lean red meat. Red meat can be a little tricky to control when it comes to diabetes. Consuming too much red meat, especially fatty cuts, can make blood sugar levels harder to control and increase the risk of heart disease. However, that doesn't mean you need to completely eliminate it from your diet. In fact, when enjoyed in moderation and cooked properly, red meat can still be a healthy protein option for diabetics. It's important to choose lean cuts that are low in fat. Filet mignon is a great example of a red meat option as it has very little visible fat. When choosing lean cuts like filet mignon, you can enjoy the rich flavor of red meat without the added risk of unhealthy fats that can spike blood sugar or cause heart disease. The protein in red meat is important for muscle repair, maintaining energy levels, and helping to control blood sugar. When cooking red meat, it's important to prepare it in a healthy way. Avoid frying or cooking with a lot of added fat. Instead, try baking, grilling, or roasting to keep it lean. Combining it with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or cauliflower can create a balanced meal that helps stabilize blood sugar. You can also pair it with healthy fats from sources like avocado or olive oil to make it more diabetes-friendly. If you crave red meat, a small portion of lean meats like sirloin or tenderloin can be a healthy and satisfying choice without raising your blood sugar levels. Just remember that moderation and pairing it with the right foods will help you enjoy it without compromising your health. Plus, occasionally adding red meat to your meals means you can enjoy a variety of flavors and maintain control of your diabetes. 5. Skinless white meat turkey. When it comes to turkey, uncooked skinless turkey breast is one of the best choices for people managing diabetes. Unlike processed deli turkey, which often contains added sugar and high sodium, skinless turkey breast is a lean protein that is very low in fat and contains no saturated fat. This makes it an excellent option for lowering blood sugar and supporting heart health. Turkey breast is also packed with essential nutrients like niacin and selenium, which play an important role in strengthening the immune system and boosting energy levels. Not only is turkey breast a great source of high-quality protein, but it is also a low-calorie option that supports portion control and weight management. For diabetics, maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for keeping blood sugar levels stable. A serving of turkey breast can help you feel full longer while providing your body with essential nutrients to stay healthy. One of the best ways to enjoy turkey breast is to cook it yourself at home. Try making herb-roasted turkey breast, a simple yet flavorful dish that enhances the natural taste of the meat. Herbs add extra flavor without any added sugar or carbohydrates, making it a healthy and delicious meal. To make your meal even healthier, pair turkey breast with low-carb vegetables such as green beans, zucchini, or fresh salad. These vegetables not only complement the turkey's flavor but also help stabilize blood sugar levels by adding fiber and essential vitamins. By choosing skinless turkey breast and avoiding processed deli meats, you can enjoy a nutritious, diabetes-friendly meal that helps keep your blood sugar under control. Plus, turkey is an incredibly versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of recipes, whether as grilled turkey, a fresh salad topping, or a healthy sandwich filling. Make turkey breast a regular part of your healthy diet and include it in your weekly meals for better blood sugar control and overall well-being. 6. Types of poultry. When it comes to diabetes-friendly meats, poultry remains a top choice for those looking to stabilize blood sugar and maintain a nutritious diet. Chicken and turkey are among the best options, offering lean protein that supports blood sugar control without the excess fat found in many other meats. Both chicken and turkey are low in calories and high in essential nutrients, including B6 and niacin, which aid in energy production and metabolism. These qualities make them a staple for diabetics looking to maintain a healthy weight and stable blood sugar levels. However, poultry choices extend beyond just chicken and turkey. Duck, for example, offers a rich and flavorful alternative. While it contains more fat, roasting duck at moderate temperatures helps retain healthy fats while minimizing unnecessary grease. For a diabetes-friendly meal, consider roasting or grilling duck instead of frying. Pairing it with fiber-rich vegetables like asparagus, spinach, or bell peppers can help balance blood sugar levels while enhancing the dish's taste. Other great ways to enjoy poultry include grilled chicken or turkey in salads or wraps, slow-cooked poultry for tender, flavorful dishes, adding duck to soups or roasting it with herbs for extra flavor. Making poultry a regular part of your diet can help control hunger, support stable blood sugar, and promote overall health. Whether you prefer the lean qualities of chicken and turkey or want to explore the richer taste of duck, poultry remains a smart and adaptable choice for diabetics. To create a well-rounded, diabetes-friendly meal, pair your poultry selection with non-starchy vegetables or whole grains like quinoa. This combination maximizes nutrition, keeps blood sugar in check, and ensures every meal is both satisfying and beneficial for your health. 7. Organ meats. If you are someone who likes to try new foods, organ meats may be just what you're looking for. Not only are they packed with nutrients, they're also a great addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Liver, kidney, heart, and tongue may not be everyone's first choice, but they offer a host of health benefits, especially if you're trying to control your blood sugar. These meats are high in vitamins A, D, E, and K, which help boost your immune system, support eye health, and regulate blood sugar. Plus, they're a great source of vitamin B12, which helps keep your energy levels up and supports nerve health. How to start eating organ meats without feeling overwhelmed. If you're not used to eating organ meats, don't worry. A simple way to start is to mix them with ground beef. Try a ratio of 70% beef to 30% organ meat. This way you get all the benefits without the overpowering flavor. You can use this mix in meatballs, tacos, or sandwiches. If you're still unsure about the flavor, start with dishes that have a strong flavor, like those with tomato sauce or spicy curries. The rich spices help balance the flavor of the organ meat. Feeling adventurous? Here's how to level up. Once you're comfortable, why not take it a step further? Try adding organ meat to Vietnamese pho, a rich broth infused with heart or liver, Indian curry spices that mask the strong flavor while adding a lot of flavor, hot peppers slow cook with beans and spices for a delicious flavor. Traditional German sausages. Many authentic recipes already include offal, making them a great way to make it easier. Why try offal? Adding offal to your meals is an easy way to get extra vitamins and minerals while keeping your blood sugar stable and boosting your energy. They are one of the most nutrient-dense foods available and an affordable way to add variety to your diet. With so many ways to cook and enjoy them, offal can become your new go-to ingredient. Whether you stick with lean meats like turkey and chicken or try something new with offal, you are making a choice that supports better blood sugar control and overall health. Take control of your health with smart protein choices. Now that you've got the 7 best meats for diabetics, it's time to get creative in the kitchen. Managing diabetes isn't just about avoiding sugar, it's about choosing the right foods that fuel your body, keep your energy stable, and support overall health. The good news? Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. Each of these meats brings something unique to the table, from the lean goodness of chicken and turkey to the nutrient-packed benefits of organ meats. Whether you prefer grilled salmon with fresh greens or want to experiment with a slow-cooked pork tenderloin, there are so many ways to enjoy delicious, diabetes-friendly meals without sacrificing taste. But before you dive in and start cooking, remember that everyone's body is different. It's always best to consult your doctor or a nutritionist before making major changes to your diet. They can help you tailor your meal plan to fit your specific health needs and goals. So now, I want to hear from you. Which of these meats are you excited to try first? Do you already have a favorite diabetes-friendly meal? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to learn from your experience. And if you found this guide helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Like, subscribe, and share to support more helpful health content for you and the community. Every small step you take towards better health matters, and we're here to walk that journey with you. Stay strong, stay healthy, and remember you're in control of your health. See you next time.